Alright, the layout is finally complete, and I already put the tire right here, just like what Train 54 did to the actual motorized playset. Alright, let's get Tommy going and see what the playset does. So here he goes, and I believe this is the new switch. Alright, we have to pull Harold up. Alright. And then put the switch and let's see what happens. Oh, we missed. Oh wait, sorry about that guys, it's a little crooked. Alright, let's try this again. Well, at least the flying works. Alright, let's try this again. And Train 4 is right. Any cargo or animal fall off into the cargo or animal chute. What a great stunt. Alright, I'm gonna try out a few Tommen. Just 3. Alright, we already delivered the tiger. Alright, let's try Gordon and uncouple him up. And see what happens. That was a new switch. Yes, it's only for talking motorized engines. Alright. Moving. And it works. So that's what the interactive sounds looks like. Alright, we got one more to go. How about try out Tommy Trackmaster Generation 1 and finally the classic early 2006 hit Toys Trackmaster. Alright, we're going to start off with Trackmaster Generation 1. And this is the 2010 Tommy. Here he goes. Oh, it went past the switch. Oh, he's trying to move. And here he goes. Alright, we're gonna try out the Trackmaster Hit Toys one. And I know Hit Toy Company looks like Tommy's ones. It's a little stuck here. Ooh, it flew off. Alright, let's try again. Just one more time. He's a little strong. Ah, failed. Alright. That Hit Toys didn't work. Let's try out the last one, which is the Tommy one. The sometimes Tommy UK, and Tommy Playrel from Japan. Well, the regular Tommy was from the United States. Well, some of the Tommy models were the same except Oliver. Oliver was not from the US. And here's Toby. Again, Toby. He won. Alright, we're gonna do Hit Toys one more time. And then we're ending this video. He's strong. Alright, one more time. He's a little derailed, but at least he made it. Alright, guys. So that was my Trackmaster Sordor Safari Tire Adventure Set, aka the Sordor Safari series, and then the motorized talking engines. Wait. And then the motorized talking engines range. So this is Dan Winchell in 1979 signing off, and I'll see you next time.